With review reply templates in SocialPilot Reviews, you can save responses and use them whenever you need to save time. For that, the first thing you need to do is know how to create review reply templates. On your dashboard, check that you're on the right brand and location. From the side menu, go to Reputation, click Reviews, and then select Reply Templates. Here, you'll see two default templates already available, one for positive reviews and one for negative reviews. To add your own, click Add Template. Give your template a name, and then write the response you'd like to save. For example, let's create a reply for 5-star reviewers, thanking them for their support. You can also use custom fields like reviewer name, business name, or rating to personalize the message automatically. Once you're happy with it, click Save. Your new template is now ready to use anytime. To use a template, go to any review you want to reply to. Click the Reply Templates icon and choose the one that fits best. The reply box will instantly fill with a saved message. You can edit it further if needed, or simply click Send. For Facebook reviews, you can even add an image or a GIF before sending. This way, you reply faster, stay consistent, and still sound personal. That's how you create and use review reply templates in SocialPilot Reviews.